Ever stare at a chart and feel like the market is playing games with you? You're not wrong. Let me show you what's really happening behind the scenes. It all starts with a quiet, sideways market. Everything seems calm. Then, out of nowhere, a huge green candle appears. Prices are skyrocketing. Your heart starts pounding. FOMO kicks in. You think, this is it! This is the breakout I've been waiting for. Everyone piles in, buying like there's no tomorrow, chasing the price higher and higher. The excitement is electric. Retail traders are convinced they've caught the next big wave to the moon. But this is the trap. This explosive move isn't real demand. It's a carefully crafted illusion by what we call smart money, the big institutions, the market makers. They engineered this spike to create liquidity. They need buyers to sell to, and what better way than to create a buying frenzy? They lure everyone in, making them believe the price is going to keep climbing forever. Then, just as quickly as it started, the trap springs. The music stops. At the peak of the buying hysteria, when every retail trader has put their money on the line, smart money pulls the rug. They start dumping their massive positions onto the unsuspecting crowd. A giant red candle appears, erasing all the gains in an instant. The price nosedives. Panic selling begins, stop losses get triggered one by one, and the market cascades downwards, liquidating all those hopeful long positions. It's a brutal, calculated move. So, how do you avoid this and actually profit from it? You learn to think like them. Instead of chasing that initial breakout, you wait. You identify that area of engineered excitement, what we call the manipulation zone or inducement. You see the big players showing their hand. When they reverse the price, that's your signal. You don't follow the herd. You trade against it. While everyone else is panicking and selling at a loss, you enter a short position, riding the wave down with the smart money. By understanding the anatomy of these manipulations, you stop being the victim and start being the strategist. You see the breakout not as an entry, but as a warning. You see the reversal not as a disaster, but as an opportunity. This is the key to flipping the script and truly leveling up your trading game. It's about recognizing the pattern, staying patient, and trading with the flow of institutional order flow, not against it. If this just blew your mind, hit that subscribe button. We're just getting started on decoding the market's secrets. Thanks for watching.